This is a process that is called CT scanning. The technology and the process of CT scanning takes cross-section images of the lamb's body, which means we can estimate the composition and distribution of the body's tissue very accurately. CT scanning gives us measurements that are 99.7% accurate. The measurements are fed into the sheep's estimated breeding values, EBVs, and helps us identify the best animals in a flock, enabling better breeding decisions. It helps distribute rams to the commercial sector, which will make a real difference to produce, quality and increase the profitability of flocks across Wales, as well as the wider industry. As well as this, we are also able to obtain detailed measurements of the animal's rumen volume, which is relevant when looking at methane emissions within the agricultural sector. CT scanning can be of great benefit to the sheep sector to improve product quality, better breeding decisions and ultimately increase profits. CT scanning will be a fundamental part of the methane project involved in the Welsh Sheep Genetics programme by Farming Connect.